Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen today, and I have a super delicious and super easy crock pot recipe to share with you. Um, I don't often have beef in the kitchen, but when it's on sale, this is kind of my go-to roast beef recipe. So here I have a chuck roast. It's about 2.5 pounds. And with that, I am going to add, I'm sorry, the ingredients are going to be so complicated. I'm just kidding. But it is a package of dry onion soup mix and a jar of pepperoncinis, juice and all. And let me get those out of there. This is about a 16-ounce jar. You can do something smaller if you're not sure you want something that's spicy. So this is kind of like going to be kind of like an Italian beef style roast beef. And all we're gonna do is cook this on low for a minimum of 8 hours. So this again is such a perfect recipe. Quick to prep, pop in the crock pot before you leave for the day, and when you come home, it's going to be smelling so fantastic. So I will see you when this is all ready and give you a little bit of ideas on serving. So see you soon. Welcome back. This has been in the crock pot for about 9 hours. I said a minimum of 8 hours on low, but you know, sometimes that's just kind of how your day goes. You can't necessarily be home exactly in 8 hours, and I think you can see it bubbling through. Oh my goodness, and it smells fantastic. And I'd like to show you, oh yeah, it is just falling apart, which is exactly what I was looking for. So I think this is about, like I said, about 2.5 pounds. It kind of, it feeds 4, but then we always have leftovers. Another way I like to serve this, besides just with some nice vegetables and a salad for kind of a yummy fancy dinner, I will do the next day and kind of cut some bread, butter it, put that in the oven, and kind of make like roast beef sandwiches, melt some Swiss cheese on it, and these pepperoncinis just add that real spicy flavor. So it is a multi-purpose dish. It is so delicious, and I'm so glad you can't see my mouth because I'm starting to drool. It smells fantastic. Thanks so much for letting me share really like one of my truly easiest favorite recipes of all time. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.